that's not able to go down. You hear me? Why do you see these woods is laid completely down? Yeah, they're just trying to clean it up. They're closed because of these cars. Yeah, this guy's not even going to be mad at the king.
Oh, yeah. Holy.
Yeah, but we're not even going to be able to go through there, Tyler. They're not even going to let you go through there.
Yeah.
Well,
They're not.
we got to see this extra damage at least. Look down there. Look going down the road.
Yeah. Yeah, it's completely dark. See that down there? Tyler. It's level. Look. It's level. You can barely see it. That house is gone. See it?
Well, camera can see it.
Keep my face up for this roof. Now, can I go down this way? Yep, I
Yeah.
can. Yep, looky there. Can you see it?
Oh my gosh.
Their house is, maybe it is the house standing, the building's gone.
It was on this last
Oh, they
night.
got their camper. Yep, you see the tree line there. Oh, looky here, Tyler. Man, that house. So devastating.
Left. Yeah, left.
I want to see that lake. It's going out that way.
No, it ain't. It's going through here.
It's going out that way.
No, it's not. There's no other road over there.
Oh, get ready up here, Nicole. Get ready. It was scary yesterday, even driving right here. Here's this house. It didn't get it, but it's right up here.
That took the siding off of it.
There's right across 571 right here. It's coming up. It's coming across. There's the debris, so we've got the debris field. See it, Nicole, over there? See the debris? Okay, so that's what you have to look for. Now, right up here, wait till you see this. Unbelievable. Come across 571. It was scary last night. There was poles almost touching the road. So it's coming over. It starts hitting these houses over here. Here, look at all the debris. Look at them, Tyler.
Mm-hmm.
See it? That's where our cousin used to live. One of their houses that got hit over there. Alright, it's going to come right up here. Go across. So it's right over there. It's still coming. Pop this hill up here and we're going to get real close. Wait till you get up here. I got a car coming, so I can't go super slow. Here it is. There's the antique place. She got a little bit. The antique back behind her house. It hit right behind it. Okay, here it comes. Look. Look at this. Look, look, look. Look at this. Well, they got that equipment off the road, a lot of it. Okay, we gotta go slow here. Oh my Lord. Look at this. It was even scarier last night, Nicole, because it was still all over the road. And then it went on out over here. Look at this. That house is gone.
Jesus.
It knocked down lots of trees.
And then it went on, it continued out that way.
Okay, and you're going left up here.
Oh, this guy, he's behind me. See, that's what you gotta do, though. See, that's why, Nicole, you couldn't have found these roads because it was so dark, is what we was trying to tell you. You have to follow the debris. So once you get to where you can't see the debris,
left again.
You can't follow it anymore. Wait till you guys see these woods and stuff. That's woods like that, leveled. Leveled. Like when they tear it all down, there might be like going up like 5 trees, like down from Mom's where they took them trees down. Look at there. Here it is. Here comes some more. Look at that building. So here it starts again. There's the tree line. Look, Nicole, right beside you. That's the tree line. So I think we can turn right here. It's kind of going at an angle, so.
Yep, going right.
Keep looking, Bubby. You'll see the damage. So we kind of bypassed it a little bit here. Oh, you're recording too? Good. Maybe we get some on Grandma's side, you can get it better.
And there is something.
Got that tree over here, just the after, you know, blow by of it.
Oh, yeah.
I guess, myself,
Turn that off for a second, Tyler.
I don't, because there's more damage right here.
Okay.
Remember?
Yeah, there's a tree, but it's just a little. It's kind of going angled over here, so you'll see it in the tree line right here. There you go. Oh, there's the house right there. Looky here. He's got a little bit. So there, see the trees, Nicole? They're not leveled here, but see right through these woods. Once we get up here, Bubby might be able to get some more. Yeah, the cows made it.
How did cows make?
They know it's coming. It's amazing how animals make it. We got a horse missing by Grandma, though. There was 3 horses. They got 2. I don't know if they ever found the other one. There's the stop sign, so I'll go that way because we got to get to the...
Nah, you got to continue straight on this road. There's no other one that's... The next one over is too far from the damage. No, you got to take this one all the way to the state line.
Oh, damn it. I'm going to look. If I turn around, I will, but I want to see this line. I just want to see the line. Because this is going to be a good view right here. On top of this hill. Oh, yep, right here. This guy's got damage on the top of his roof. Look. So look at that one. Right through that woods. It continues on right here. I can't tell if anything's coming, so I'm going to go way slow. Oh, his house. Oh, look.
damn.
Let's see. Oh, there, he's still smiling. So see, then it goes through here, continues on through. There, this guy, they ain't getting nothing here. It don't look like they're good. It's coming up. Right here, this fence line. Then it goes on across right here. We get serious damage. He'll get arrested. Look at that, all the way across here. Now, I don't know if this house got it, but here, Tyler, I'll slow down. So it came across here. It clipped that house back there, it looks like. So it got them. See it?
Mm-hmm.
And then here's the debris field going across. Oh my God, we're going to be cleaning. They're going to be cleaning this county for 2 years. Still finding stuff. They're finding stuff 35 minutes away, photos and stuff. They're finding them on Facebook. Yeah, it's pretty wild. So we don't have like a straight shot. We gotta keep zigzag. Not a straight
Yep,
road.
going right.
Wait till you get down here, Nicole. Thingies gone. That tower, is that going up top there? And that's that farm. It's a silo, it looks like. Somewhere there's one of the great big wind turbines.
Yeah, it's Winchester.
Yeah. Yep, so it did hit that farm. See it?
Yeah.
I'm trying to see. I don't even see the house. I think it's the house. The building's there, the house isn't. Right back there, Tyler. What's the house that goes to that building?
It might not even have one.
No, I think that's that pile.
Some farms around here don't have houses.
You should be able to tell right here. There's a building or something. It's obvious. So then it goes on across here. There's smoke down there, so they're burning stuff. There it is, way down there. Look at this, over here. Yep. I can't get over there yet. So that's where we gotta go, right there. It's starting it up again.
Then I have to go to the bathroom.
What are they doing?
Then I have to go to the bathroom.
Well, you got a minute. You're gonna have to wait. Yeah, they're trying to get the power back up. Does that say road closed right here?
Yep, it does.
Look at that, Tyler. Unbelievable. Look at this place right here, Tyler. You can see it.
Watch this. You ready? The cars are racing together. The cars are
Well, that building's leveled. Now look back this way, Tyler. You can see down that whole entire road.
Yeah, I got it.
That whole damn road's done. Oh, their building's gone right there. The house is there. Line. There it goes. The wood line right here. Me and you was on this one. No, for the love. Yeah. There you go, in front of us. There you go, Tyler. Look. Debris. Right over here is debris. Whoa, look behind you, Tyler. Look behind. No, all the way behind. See it?
Mm-hmm.
Completely. Look, Bubby. Oh, that's devastation right there. think I'd take that many damn fucking pictures of myself. But look at this.
Snapchat filters.
Look. Tyler, this one. You can get this one kind of close. Oh, tires. That's what's left of their wagon.
It smells like sulfur.
What is that place? That's pretty big. Is that like a pig farm or something? The building over here is gone. Is that the granary? Maybe it's a granary. And you got all your chickens or pigs or whatever they are. It didn't hit them. No wonder Mom and them's got chicken feathers and stuff. Side, Tyler. There you go. So I think it's is it like a granary right here? Because something's burning and I don't think they're burning it. It's like something caught on fire or something. They're just letting it burn out. This one's on what road?
This is
Right here. To see what that was. 625 East. Look at that. That had to be like a granary or something. Ooh, there's a big old tank there too. Glad I didn't go. I can still see it here. Travel. Ooh, they got damage. Oh, look at that. They're already out there putting a roof on that. Here's those rolls. Yep, you're right. This up here's where the trees are up. Because it didn't move them. There it come, back of there, look at that. That's the side wind.
What's that?
Piece of debris. Yeah, that's just side wind. That might have took his building down. Yeah, it did. Took his building down right here.
Okay, you can go right on this one.
Right there, look at the woods.
Well,
As I
just go
turn.
straight.
No, I'm turning. Look at the woods. So I went right through the woods here. I'll turn around, but I want to check this place out. Look at that, behind him. Basically behind him, got that back building.
At least his solar panels are fine. He paid all that money for.
Yep. Up these woods. Right through there. Oh, I should turn around right there. I don't know if I can turn around on this road or not. was a pile back here. Here's a house. It's not a house no more. Look at this pole leaned over. Oh, here's one. His barn. House is standing. Got these. That's why your mommy had you go to the basement. See what it does? There's all this damage.
Yeah, I think this road is the one that had the woods leveled on.
But Grandma, Mommy's house
Right
stayed
there, look at
together.
that. Yep, look at that over there. Yeah, she got lucky. It didn't get her. Yeah, look, Nicole, look at them woods. It's just starting to snap them all.
Grandma.
Straight, Tyler?
Yep.
Hope his horsey's alive. Look at these woods. This horse is like, what's going on? Where's my barn?
Grandma. Grandma.
Oh, baby.
Mommy's house stayed together.
That's good. It's real good. I just don't know where the cows went. How they don't get hit by debris.
But it was shaking ground.
Your house made it. That's good. Oh, this next house didn't make it. Tree damage over here only. Looks like after wind to the side. But yep, that house is gone. Look, Tyler. It's gone. Farm equipment out there too. See it? You want to turn down that road or just keep going straight?
Keep going.
Just letting you go down. Oh, it's a lane. Their van, everything in their garage. It's terrible. Ooh, it did get some of them. Look. It pulled them round things all apart.
There's some culverts.
And say, you wait, dude. Don't you get going.
Nicole, look at this. Did you see that?
Wow, them round things that don't normally pick up, they're all strung out here.
Nicole, watch this. And after that, look at this blaze rod. Alright, Nicole, look at this blaze rod.
They must be out there picking them things up. Should I turn or go straight, Tyler?
Straight if you can. If you can't, then you're gonna have to go. I'm hoping you can go straight. Yeah, you
Yeah, we'll go
can.
straight. Having a meeting. Having a morning coffee. Let's have a decision. They got a bunch of them out here, don't they? Huh. Their airplane sock out thing made it out there. It's still sitting there, see it?
Mm-hmm.
Huh. It's amazing that some stuff can stay and some stuff don't stay. I seen a house that was completely demolished. This old one right here is not in good shape. It got hit pretty good. But they're completely demolished, right? But their pizza they ordered and their Coke and everything sitting right there perfectly on the counter. They didn't even move them. Oh, the roof's off this one over here, it looks like maybe. They can go go around this car at this time. You can go around. Okay, I think we can go around. This guy must be working on his roof or something. Yep, they are. Getting the roof on. Oh my goodness, look in front of us. Uh-oh. Can we
No, that's Winchester. That's what's blocked.
Yeah, you can see the damage right in front of us. Houses roofs off in front of us. See it, Nicole? See the path it took through there? Oh, this is all houses down through there that got hit. Yeah, it's sad. And all this debris over here. Oh, their roof's gone. Look, on their house. Barn made it, but
took that silo roof off, probably.
Yeah. Big old sheet of metal or something right here. Yeah, a lot of people get
Private building's roof.
Yep, it's gone. Well, we got around the thingy anyway. We're almost up here to a bathroom. We'll get this the junkyard is right there, but you wouldn't be able to tell if anything got hit in there. I want to go to clear to Salinas or whatever it is. Or what do you call it? Selma. I want to go there. Look at Goodwill, Bubby, over there. Right over there. Right over there. See the big blue sign? That was our Goodwill.
It was?
Yep, it's gone. I'm really mad. He got his belt on, Nicole. Put it on him. I get a damn ticket. We're gonna figure out where the popos are at.
Yeah, the hardware store's fine.
Look right here in front of us. Even the semi-trailers or wherever them are. Yep, semi-trailers.
Oh, shit. That's insane. Oh, my God.
Which way should I go, Tyler?
Try going. If it lets you to the left.
There's Goodwill.
Jesus.
Does it?
Oh, the cops don't even want us here. I'm not going that way. I'm going to go this way.
So that means you can't get to the Walmart then. That's the Taco Bell.
That Walmart is... Look at this. Bubby, right here's the Goodwill. We're getting ready to go buy it right here. Look over here beside us. See, it's gutted. There's our Goodwill, Bubby. Ah, it's sad.
That is sad.
Yep, and
the Greenville one gone?
Oh, looky up here, Tyler. Can I turn here? Yes, I can.
No, just go straight.
No, I gotta go right here by these buildings.
You can go straight and then you can try to get down them neighborhoods. We already seen that.
God. Whatever.
That's insane.
All right, I'm letting him go. Then
I
I'll go.
don't think they want you going that way anyway.
Four-way stop, so. Ah, why didn't he stop? It's a four-way fucking stop, idiot. Fucking dumb fucker. I waited on the two semis and then he just runs it.
Oh, wow.
They're doing a good job of cleaning all this debris up, though, these people already. Look.
That's insane.
Yeah, over here's the houses. Look, Tyler. See them? You should have got that because you might not get that close. Oh, look, he's hanging in the sky. That's way over there, Tyler. I doubt we can get down that road. You'd have been better off. You could have seen it all from the light.
Okay, go left. That car's coming out of there.
Papa, it's not good to well at Greenville broke too.
Yeah. There's a piece of metal. Right from Goodwill.
Well, probably.
That would happen to me.
Not in the actual
Going
town,
left.
though. On the outskirts of town.
Yeah.
Is that the same car? Oh, damn, that's fucking flying if it is.
Nicole, you can climb up that roof, right? That's an awesome house, right? The roof is at the bottom and the door
There's
is at the
debris, you
bottom,
guys.
and everything's at the bottom.
There's a bunch of them here.
Something's burning.
You can
Huh?
Something.
Oh, it's all the way
Burn.
down through there. Wait. Yeah, it goes down through there. Look over here. All these new houses over here. Run up around this corner is going to get them. There you go. Look at the playground. It missed the school, though, but it got their playground. Look at them houses over there. Oh, whatever this debris. Looky here. Looky here. Right there, that's leveled.
Jesus.
Can I go up in here? What is this? Where am I
That's
at?
that nursing home, I think.
Oh, it's the nursing home. I don't want to.
Yeah, just go turn
There's
around
the
here.
houses. There's the houses right there. But yeah, here's the nursing home. That's so sad.
That was the sign a little bit got broken.
Yeah, that's the nursing home. I think they removed all the residents. Our family came and got them.
That's crazy.
And right here, we'll go over there, Tyler, if we can. Because there's one that went through. Yeah, it missed the school somehow.
That's crazy.
But it got some of their play equipment, looks like a little bit.
Grandma, can we play on their playground?
No. We
That's a
can't, Bubby.
one-way.
I know it is.
Did we get that
Eddie.
far?
These new houses didn't get anything.
Double why that?
I'm just glad that everybody in the nursing home made it too. Thank you.
They must have hurried up and grabbed
See, this is debris was thrown out. What all this is. Because the houses are fine. This is stuff that spit over here.
Mama,
There's some
did you
there's right behind you here.
the church?
They got some gutter damage. Over there, looky. Oh my goodness, you can't even go through there, but yep, that's some houses. I don't think you can see much of it, but yeah, those are all hid over there. I bet they don't list down any of them.
I bet somebody was speaking there in the garage.
Yep, that whole road's closed. So the only thing you could do would be stop and there's a roof off. That wasn't down very good because that was just side wind and somehow that came off. Put it on top of there, a piece of wood on their house. Oh yeah, they got it's electric trucks is what's keeping it closed. Oh my goodness, look down there. Well, you can't see it very good, but
Does it let
let
you?
me pull out
Is
here
it
and
still
kinda
closed?
yeah, but look. See, there's so many trucks. They're the reason why it's getting stopped. Is all them electric trucks. Otherwise, you could drive down there. So once they get all that up, the wires,